Today we are going to talk about NAT. NAT stand for Network Address Translation. When we collect IP address from ISP, their IP address is different, right? When we are also using our local area network, this is IP address is different. So NAT we use to communicate with different blocks IP address. Let's see, if we go to the router, then you can see this is our uplink and this is our LAN. So both are different network, right? If we go to the IIP2 firewall, then there is a NAT. If we do remove it, right, I am just going to remove it. Now our LAN and WAN cannot able to communicate each other. You can say can't browse right now. You can just go to the google.com or any site. You are not able to browse because both network are not translating each other. So if we configure NAT, then the both network can communicate each other. Let's see how we can do it. Then it will be translated. If you go to the plus, then if you go to the general, then there is a NAT, source NAT, right? Then if you go to the action to mask write, then click apply, okay. Then you can browse your internet because now both network are translate each other. So let's go to our browser. Now it's working. Thank you for watching.